everybody, welcome to the informative world. So in this video we are going to discuss about that one major mistake that each of us does in English. Okay, we all do that mistake usually in English. Now what is that common, silly, major mistake in English? Let's see. So before I begin, you need to tell me that whether the following sentences are correct or not. So these are the sentences we write and speak in our day-to-day life. She does not like cherry. I'm really sorry. She doesn't like cherry. They don't replies to my answer. Leela didn't arrive on time. They doesn't listen to the teacher. We didn't went to drop our sister to the airport. She don't wants to eat bread. So is there any of the sentences given above correct? So before we start with our identification, we must know that where do we use these words does not, do not and did not. Okay. So in this slide, I will tell you that where and when do we use does not, do not and did not. So first let's understand their use. Okay. Before I begin telling you about the use, I would like to tell you that does not, okay, does not and did not, I am really sorry, and do not are used in simple present tense, while on the other hand did not is used in simple past tense. Always remember, note it down right now. Okay, now let's begin. Do not, we use this word, okay, we use this word with plural subjects. Plural subjects, more than one subject. There can be two subjects given in a sentence, there can be three subjects given in a sentence. So more than one subject are plural subjects. Okay, one subject is a singular subject. Okay, so we use this do not in front of plural subjects. Okay, two or more than two. Okay, for example Kritim and Mani, here are two subjects. ठीक है, ये जो है ये two subjects हैं. So here we are gonna use do not because they are more than one. So they are plural subject. Okay, they, we are also plural subjects. I and you are special pronouns. So we are gonna use do not with them. We are gonna use don't with them. Okay, I hope you have understood this much. Okay, don't worry, we are going to discuss more examples. Kritim and Mani don't wear kurta, plural subjects, so don't. They don't go to the party, as I said, they, we are plural subjects, so we're going to use don't in front of them. Okay, we don't like to eat cherry, we, so don't. You don't watch TV, you is a special pronoun, so don't will come. Now, where do we use does not? So we use it with singular subjects. That means only one subject, है ना? We use this with in case of only one subject. Okay, like it, she, है ना? He. Only one subject, a singular subject. For example, it doesn't play with us. She doesn't respect her elders. He doesn't watch cartoons. So here we are going to use does not as they are singular subjects, as in these sentences only one subject is there. Now you must be wondering that did not, do not and does not are what kind of words? So for your kind information, they are helping verbs. ठीक है, ये हमेशा याद रखना that these are helping verbs. ठीक है, these words are helping verbs actually. Okay. Okay. Now did not. Now comes did not. So did not is used in simple past and do not and does not are used in simple present. I have told you in the beginning of this video. So did not is used with both plural and singular subjects in past tense. He, she, it, they, we, you. So we are going to use did not in front of them in past tense. ठीक है, we can use did not with both singular and plural subjects. Okay, hope you have understood this much. Now, she did not leave for the school yet. She is a singular subject, so did not will come. He did not eat the food. He is also a singular subject, did not will come. We did not welcome her. We is a plural subject, did not welcome. They didn't go to the park. They is a plural subject, so did not welcome. Okay, and always remember, I am highlighting this thing. Okay, I am highlighting this thing that whenever we use these helping verbs, did not, do not, है ना, did not, do not, does not, whenever we use them, ठीक है, whenever we use them, we write the root form of verb as it is. We do not add any letter beside the root form of verb. Okay, root form of verb remains as it is. ठीक है, the root form of verb will only come whenever we use these helping verbs in sentences. Okay, root form of verb is going to come. We are not going to add any letter beside the root form of verb. Okay, now also one more thing you need to remember, एक और चीज, that whenever we use did not, so the present form of verb is gonna come. ठीक है, the present form will come. ठीक है, we are gonna write the present form of verb, not the past form of verb. Like you can see here, I haven't used any past form of verb. I have used only the present form of verb because this is a rule. ठीक है, she didn't leave for the school yet, है ना, present form of verb leave. He didn't eat the food. If I would have used ate in this case, it would be wrong. Eat will come because this is a rule. Whenever we use did not, the present form of verb will come. I hope you have understood this much. Okay, now we will learn how to form interrogative sentences from them. We all know that does not or doesn't, didn't, don't. They all are negatives. Okay, they are used to make a particular sentence negative. ठीक है, we all know that. Now how are we gonna form interrogative sentences from these sentences? Let's learn this. Like in mathematics, we have various formulas. I have put one formula over here. Place in the following orders. So first helping verb will come in the first position or in the beginning of the sentence. Helping verb will come. Helping verb is going to come in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Don't, didn't, doesn't, है ना? They all are helping verbs. On the second place will come your subject. Nouns and pronouns are the subjects mostly. ठीक है? And on the third position or at the last position will come the root form of verb. ठीक है? The root form of verb. Okay. For example, I have taken one example here. Okay. He does not help Kritin. So here he is the subject, does not is the helping verb, and help is the verb. So whenever we form an interrogative sentence, we always place the helping verb in the beginning. ठीक है? Subject on the second place and the root form of verb on the third place. So it will become doesn't he help Kritin? I hope you have understood this much. Now can we identify that where do we use these helping verbs? Yes, now we can. So now let's begin. You have to simply correct these sentences. Here are some mistakes in these sentences, so you have to correct them. She doesn't like cherry, so doesn't is a helping verb, so we all know the rule that we are not gonna add any letter beside the root form of verb, so here like should come. They don't replies to my answer, wrong, again the same mistake, the root form of verb will come, reply. Leela didn't arrive on time. Here arrived shouldn't come, here should come arrive, the root form of verb, and the present form of verb. Okay. They does not listen to the teacher. Does not shouldn't come. Plural subject, so do not. We didn't went to drop our sister to the airport. Same mistake here. Here we are not gonna use went. Here we are gonna use go. The present form of verb. Okay. She don't wants to eat bread. So here don't shouldn't come. It's a singular subject. So here does not should come. So thank you everybody. A lot thanks for watching this video. Thank you.